Before we begin, look up at the sky just for a moment. Think about what you are seeing. Those tiny points of light are not just stars, they are massive worlds. Some are millions of light years away, some are even older than our planet. And beyond what our eyes can see, there are billions of galaxies, an endless ocean of space. But one question remains: how did it all begin? Where did the universe come from? Where did space come from? Where did time itself begin? This is one of the greatest mysteries humans have ever explored, and today we are going back to the beginning of everything. For thousands of years, people looked at the sky and wondered. Ancient civilizations created their own explanations. Some believed the universe was created by powerful forces. Others believed it had always existed. But science asked a different question. Not what people believed, but what the universe itself could reveal. And then, something incredible was discovered. The universe is moving. The universe is expanding. Imagine a balloon, a simple balloon. Now, imagine drawing small dots on its surface. As you blow air into it, the balloon grows. The dots move farther apart. The space between them increases. The universe works in a similar way. Daily are moving away from each other because space itself is expanding. And this discovery changed everything. Because if the universe is expanding now, then long ago it must have been much smaller, much hotter, much denser. This idea became known as the Big Bang Theory. But the Big Bang was not just a huge explosion. It was not an explosion inside empty space. It was the beginning of space itself. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began its incredible journey. At that moment, there were no stars, no planets, no galaxies, only energy, heat, and tiny particles. The universe was extremely hot, so hot that atoms could not even exist. But time passed, the universe expanded, and slowly it began to cool. Something amazing happened. The first pieces of matter started forming. Tiny particles connected together, and eventually the first atoms appeared, mostly hydrogen and helium. These simple elements became the foundation of the entire universe. For millions of years, the universe was dark, a huge empty space. No stars shining, no planets, no light, but gravity was working. Slowly, it pulled giant clouds of gas together. The clouds became bigger, hotter, and then the first stars were born. Stars are more than just lights in the sky. They are cosmic creators. Inside stars, new elements are made. The ingredients needed to create planets, oceans, and life. When giant stars die, they explode. They spread these elements across space, and those elements become part of new worlds. The truth is, the atoms inside your body were created from ancient stars. Over billions of years, stars gathered together. They formed galaxies, huge of stars. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, and it is only one galaxy among countless others. The universe is bigger than we can truly imagine. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was created. The sun was born, planets formed around it, and one small planet appeared, Urk, a tiny world in a massive universe. But something extraordinary happened here. Life began. The universe has been traveling for billions of years, from a hot beginning to stars, to galaxies, to planets, and finally to us. But the story is not finished. There are still mysteries. What happened before the Big Bang? Why did the universe begin? What are the hidden forces controlling space? Scientists are still searching, still exploring, still asking questions. When you look at the night sky, remember this: you're not separate from the universe. You are part of it. The same universe that created stars also created you. Every atom, every molecule, every piece of matter around us has a connection to the beginning. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago. It expanded, it changed, it created stars, it created planets, and eventually It created life, a journey that started from a tiny beginning and became everything we know. The universe is still growing, still changing, still unfolding, and we are here, watching it happen, trying to understand how it all began.